Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block unwanted emails on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first get into settings. On settings, scroll down until you find mail and then scroll down again, and right here you can easily find blocked sender options. Just tap on that. Here, first make sure that this feature toggled on. If this feature toggled off, just hit on it to enable this feature. And also make sure that actions set to move to trash. If inbox is checkmarked, just hit at move to trash, and now you can hop out settings and open up Apple Mail app. Now, if you want to block some user, you can just open up their email, then right here tap at their name, then tap at name again, and right here you can easily find block this contact option. Just tap on that. Then hit at block this content, and from now if that contact send you a message, it will be moved directly to the trash. Now you can hit at done, and let's say you want to unblock that contact. All you have to do in that case is hit right here, then you should scroll down until you find the trash. Here it is. Then you can open up that email, then tap at contact's name to open up that contact, and right from here you can tap at unblock this contact, just like that. After that you can hit at done, and now you can move on to your inbox. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.